Using Capitec Swift code to do international transfers is essential. Today I'm going to show you where to find that Swift code. Let's do it. So to find your Capitec Swift code, you need to jump into capitecbank.co.za. Now, a Swift code is a unique identifier for a bank that is used for sending money between banks and for exchanging messages. It's also used for international money transfers. So what we're going to do right over here is you'll see it says find ways to bank better. You're going to go ahead and click on here, and you can literally just dial in Swift code over here. You'll actually be able to find it right from here. So you'll see it'll say most relevant, and it'll give you branches, and it'll give you a branch code as well as a Swift code right over here. Now, this Swift code is one specific code that is for every single Capitec branch. So this is one single code, and it'll never ever change.